Editing your website on mobile is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the WIX application on your mobile device, then tap on Add in the middle of your screen here. You can find the site list. Select your site from here. Next, tap on the three dots next to your site. You can copy the link, share it, or move it to the trash from here. Now tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here you can find your shortcuts. You can add a shortcuts as you like, then tap on Add here. Tap on At a product, enter the name of your product, then enter the price. You can also add a discount. Next, tap on Visibility. You can turn your store on or off here, then go to Description. Write your product description in this section. Define Save. Next, tap on Add an Info section. Here you can add information. Go to App to Category. You can add a category right here. You can also add custom text or product options. Then you can add stock details like whether it's in stock or out of stock. Enter the weight, then enter all the necessary details. After that, tap on Save. Now we've added a new product. You can view it on the member app or on the website. Scroll down to tag your website, then go to Add again. Here you can create a pay link or create a social post. Now tap on Create an email campaign. From here you can pick a template to get started or edit this template.